Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will talk you about cryptocurrency. A cryptocurrency or crypto is a digital currency. A digital currency is any currency, money or money like asset that is primarily managed, stored or exchanged on digital computer systems, especially over internet. Types of digital currencies include cryptocurrency, virtual currency, central bank digital currency, designed to work as medium of exchange. In economics, a medium of exchange is any item that is widely acceptable in exchange for goods and services. In modern economies, the most commonly used medium of exchange currency through a computer network. A computer network is a set of computers sharing resources located on or provided by network nodes. Computers use commonly communication protocols over digital interconnections to communicate with each other. These interconnections are made up telecommunication that is not reliant on any central authority such as government or bank to uphold or maintain it. It is decentralized system for verifying that the parties to individual coin ownership records are stored in digital ledger. A ledger is a book or a collection of accounts in which accounting transactions are recorded. Each account has an opening or both forward balance, a list of transactions, which is computerized database. In computing, a database is an organized collection of data stored and accessed electronically through the use of database management system. Small databases can be stored on a file system, while large databases are hosted on computer clusters or cloud storage. The strong cryptography or cryptographically strong are general terms used to designate the cryptographic algorithm that, when used correctly, provide a high level of protection against any eavesdropper. To secure transaction records, control of creation of additional coins, and verify the transfer of coin ownership. Despite their name, cryptocurrencies are not considered to be currencies in the traditional sense, and while varying treatment have been applied to them, including classification as commodities. In economics, a commodity is an economic good, usually a resource that has full or substantial fungibility, that is, the market treats instances of the goods as equivalent or nearby, so with no regard to who produce. Securities and currencies. Cryptocurrencies are generally viewed as a distinct asset class in practice. Some crypto schemes use validators to maintain the cryptocurrency. In a proof of stake models, owners put up their token as collateral. In return, they get authority over the token in proportional to the amount they stake. Generally, these token stakers get additional ownership in the token over time via network fees, newly minted tokens, or other such reward mechanisms. Cryptocurrency does not exist in physical form like paper money. It is typically not issued by a central authority. Cryptocurrencies typically use decentralized control. Decentralization or decentralization is the process by which the activities of an organization, particularly those regarding planning and decision making, are distributed or delegated away from the central authoritative location or group and given the smaller faction within it. Opposed to a central bank digital currency. A central bank digital currency is a digital currency issued by a central bank rather than by a commercial bank. It is also liability of the central bank and denominated in the sovereign currency, as in the case with physical banknotes and coins. When cryptocurrency is minted or created prior to the issuance or issued by a single issuer, it is generally considered centralized. When implemented with decentralized control, each cryptocurrency works through distributed ledger. A distributed ledger is the consensus of replicated, shared and synchronized digital data is graphically spread across many sites, countries and institutions in contrast to centralized database. Typical a blockchain is distributed ledger with the growing list of records that are securely linked via cryptographic hashes. Each block contains a cryptographic hash of previous block, the timestamp and the transaction data that serves as a public financial transaction database. The first cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, which was first released as open source software in 2009. As of March 22, there are more than 9,000 other cryptocurrencies in the marketplace, of which more than 70 had a market capitalization exceeded 1 billion.